These are the DAKOMM motion sensor lights. These were sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. And my opinion is these things are pretty cool. Type-C charging cable because they are a rechargeable light. And you get a remote control with it that has the different options on there, which I'll go through with you. You get a set of instructions so you know how to use it. This is a Roku remote control right here, so you can see the size comparison. They're about 8 inches by a little less than 2 inches. So they're very compact, they're very lightweight. And the coolest feature for me is that they're motion detector lights. I mean, there's so many things you could do with these. You could put them under a kitchen cabinet. You could put one in a drawer. You could put one inside of a cabinet. You know, when you open the cabinet, the light comes on. There's so many things you could do with it. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds. The light comes on and it enters night mode. A little blue light comes on that tells you it's in night mode. And it's completely dark and in night mode. Walk into the bathroom, the motion sets it off, and now I've got the perfect bathroom night light for me anyway. Press it a second time, the red light flashes in there to let you know that it's entered daytime mode. So nighttime mode is obviously when it senses motion in the dark. Daytime mode is for when it senses motion during the day and it'll turn on. There we go. When they're fully charged, they'll last about 7 to 20 days in the motion setting, depending on how often they're turned off and on, obviously. Another cool thing about them is they're magnetic. You can stick them to any place where you can normally stick a magnet. And if you don't have any place, they give you this 3M magnet. So you can stick the strip wherever you want. Then you can just stick the light onto the magnet and there you go. The remote has 4 different timer options on here. You can see, turn down the intensity of the light. You can do that with the remote. It also has the 3 modes on here, night, day, and always on, and a 50% mode. And you press the off button and it turns them off. So I can think of all kinds of options for these. Not only could you use them in a closet, under a counter, maybe as a bathroom night light. I just magnetize it to the bar, look at that, open up the closet. You could also use these as an emergency light if you needed to.